Good morning, folks. I'm going to go over Euro USD, Dow Jones futures, and ES futures for you real quick this morning. I'm going to talk about what maybe we saw overnight, if anything, and what to expect this morning. I really wish more people were seeing this sometimes. I'm giving away free game. I'm hitting these levels and setups exact. I'm showing you how to look at them and how to approach them, but that's fine. This is more for me first to keep myself accountable and to make sure I realize I'm not going crazy and there is rhyme and reason to everything that I have learned and applied. So last we left off on Dow Jones, I mentioned that I was looking for a dip in recovery this level first, but ideally some lower pullback. We didn't get that pullback. What we did get was that dip in recovery of this 47.45 level, which gave 5 longs on Tuesday and then one awesome long for over 50 plus points yesterday, Wednesday. So we're here Thursday now. So let's look at very simply what happened overnight. We so far have just been consolidating above, potentially flagging above this major zone right here. The first setup very forward would probably be give me a second right there. Would probably be a dip in recovery of this zone. It's not really a great setup because we're so close to the high of the week. Maybe that can go as low as tagging this level right here and coming back up. But at that point, if we slowly sell into this level, I would actually be open to a dip in recovery or a direct long, whatever structure forms. We never rush. We wait for the setup. If it slowly sells, like the way this was slowly grinding throughout the rest of the morning and around like, I don't know, 9:30, 10, we're around here and we get a little pop above this minor level, that could be a direct. Otherwise, I'll wait for more structure. Going forward down, this level also could be a potential direct long if we're selling into it slowly. If we're not, then wait for it to flush and recover. If we tag it directly, then wait for this level above to recover to go long. After that, I'm looking for a fail breakdown at this magical 47.45 level. Let's see if we can get that. It can go a little bit lower, cut some of these lows, but not this one. If we cut this one, then I'd be looking for a failed breakdown of this level specifically. That could maybe tag here and then come back up. Probably clear this one too first just to be safe. Otherwise, we have another low down here. So there's a plethora of lows. I can't give you the specific ones to deal with, but I think the first two A plus setups I see would probably be like this direct or dip in recovery of this level, just because if we get down there, that would be about 40 plus points down, which is a big sell in Dow Jones. After that, a failed breakdown of this low that can go as low as here will be really good. If we can clear this low too, then I'd definitely be willing to go long, probably above this minor level. So that's Dow Jones real quick. Let's get into Euro USD. What did we see there? We saw what exactly that I envisioned. And I might get off here soon because I'm seeing a setup happening in real time right now. But essentially, this is a failed breakdown. I was looking for A minus quality because we were still pretty close to the high. Hold on one second. So actually, this is a live fail breakdown. So we have a shelf of lows right here. About 4 points above the lowest one will be about 58.6 or 59. That was right about this minor level. Let's go into a 1 minute chart. We push right above, one up more, we're holding now. So one could probably go long. This looks pretty good. If you're not sure though, I'd probably wait for the clearance of this level now, that because such a volatile, quick fail breakdown that honestly I'd probably want to wait. Otherwise, yeah, so that's when, because the fact that we're pretty much still pretty close to the recent highs, only about 18 points down right now from there. We sold about 25, 30 points into it. So it was one of those quick snap fail breakdowns. I'm okay missing it. I still have a long position. But one could definitely potentially add here. That looks pretty good to go. That should rip back up here and continue ripping higher, in my opinion. If this fails for some reason, a fail breakdown down here will be the next A plus setup. And I'm looking forward to seeing if we can get that, as I do think we're flagging in this zone. Going to ES real quick before I let you guys go. I can get back to the work. We've been flagging all night in ES. We had a failed breakdown of this shelf of lows overnight. We have another shelf of lows here now. So if we can dip below all this and trap under and then reclaim 60, I'd be willing to go long. So I'm looking forward to seeing that happen. I'm gonna add an alert here real quick. Look for traps. And below that, there's another shelf of lows here. So if we can tag maybe this level and recover above, that'd be something I'm interested in. I'm gonna get back to the charts. You guys have a great day.